Bangalore, 27th May 2026. Bangalore today witnessed the grand inauguration of Asia Labex Exhibition 2026 at the Bangalore International Exhibition Centre BEEC, bringing together leaders, innovators, researchers and professionals from the pharmaceutical laboratory and healthcare industries under one roof. The prestigious exhibition began at 11:30 in the morning with an energetic atmosphere as exhibitors, delegates, and industry experts gathered to explore the latest advancements shaping the future of healthcare and laboratory technology. The inauguration ceremony was graced by Mr. Rajesh Ksheersagar, Co-Regulatory Markets at Micro Labs Limited, who officially inaugurated the exhibition in the presence of industry leaders and invited dignitaries. Known for his extensive experience in regulatory affairs and pharmaceutical operations, Mr. Rajesh Ksheersagar highlighted the importance of innovation, quality standards, and global compliance in strengthening the pharmaceutical and healthcare ecosystem. The event also marked the beginning of an exciting Today industry showcase featuring cutting-edge laboratory solutions, advanced healthcare technologies, pharmaceutical innovations, and scientific equipment from leading companies and organizations. Speaking during the inauguration, Mr. Jaspal Singh, organizer and director of Asia Labex, thanked all dignitaries, exhibitors, speakers, partners, and visitors for their overwhelming support and participation in making the opening ceremony successful. He also expressed confidence that the exhibition would continue to attract strong engagement over the coming days while creating valuable opportunities for networking, collaboration, and business growth across the sector. Asia Labex Exhibition 2026 is serving as a major platform where industry professionals, researchers, manufacturers, and innovators are connecting to exchange ideas, discuss future trends, and showcase breakthrough technologies that are transforming the healthcare and laboratory landscape. Adding further value to the event, Labotica Summit 2026 also commenced alongside the exhibition as a dedicated knowledge-sharing platform featuring expert discussions and technical sessions on some of the most relevant and emerging topics in the industry. The summit is focusing on areas such as analytical automation, process robustness and building quality, analytical QBD approach, human-centric innovation and ethical AI, molecular diagnostics, AI and data analytics in clinical research, along with peptides and injectables. Experts and speakers from across the healthcare, pharmaceutical, and laboratory sectors are sharing valuable insights on how technology, artificial intelligence, automation, and research-driven innovation are helping shape the future of diagnostics, clinical research, and pharmaceutical manufacturing. With strong participation from exhibitors, delegates, scientists, healthcare professionals, and business leaders, Asia Labex Exhibition 2026 has already emerged as one of the significant industry gatherings in Bangalore, bringing innovation, collaboration, and knowledge sharing onto a single global platform. The exhibition and summit will continue over the next 2 days at BEEC Bangalore with several technical sessions, product showcases, networking opportunities, and interactive discussions expected to attract large industry participation.
Basically, it's an honor for me to inaugurate this Labex Asia conference exhibition. I think the kind of innovations and the technology advancements in the instrumentation that has been seen is really fantastic. It's the future of technologies. I always believe the pharmaceutical industry, the analytical instrumentations have always the leading edge. And due to regulatory requirements, the advancements have been phenomenal in the instrumentation segment. The exhibition, I went through the entire stalls, and I think they have displayed the latest technologies in all the instrumentations, and I'm very happy to be here. And I wish everyone actually to take advantage of such kind of exhibitions which have been done, and it will definitely benefit the pharmaceutical industry. Thank you. Some of the technologies which are AI driven. Now, as artificial intelligence is the next big thing that needs to be incorporated in the technologies, I think I've seen many instrumentations using that technologies, and that will impact and that will definitely help the analytical labs and the quality control labs in the pharmaceutical and the biotechnology segments. Thank you.